Hello again, this is Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon, showing you this 2018 Revel with a whole host of Agile Offroad upgrades. We'll start in the front. It's got the Agile aluminum engine skid plate. Nicely covers the engine. Agile logo. This has the Agile RIP kit, suspension kit. Also, I'll show you from the outside, but it's got Agile Alcon big brake upgrade front and rear. You can see it through the method wheels here. Here's the rear Agile Alcon big brake kit. Fox 2.0s from the Agile RIP kit. Done the Agile upper and lower double shear brackets. Agile diff cover. And all these rear items, as you can see, are in orange. You can also get them in black. Client wanted to show the Agile colors. Also back here you can see Agile 28-gallon auxiliary fuel tank. Agile license plate frame. Oh, sorry. Agile spare tire carrier as well. Again, 2018 Revel. Lots of Agile upgrades. Client's been super happy with this van and the transformation it's gone under. Front end, we did do the Baja Pocket fog light kit, which is pretty rare to see on this 2018 NCV3 906 chassis because it's made for the 907 VS30 chassis from 2018 and newer. Does have a worn hidden winch as well. Again, Jeremy at Matrix Integrated, Bend, Oregon, showing you this 2018 Revel with all the Agile Offroad upgrades. Any questions on any of these or anything else from the Agile catalog, let us know. www.matrixintegrated.cc. Thanks for watching.